vessel was able to break ice into the vicinity of the Peterson Bank, about 78 nautical miles from Casey. And then a window in the weather presented itself, so a very nice blue sky day for Antarctica in the first few days of spring. And the ship was able to launch 2 helicopters with a medical retrieval team to fly the 80 nautical miles to Casey, retrieve the unwell expeditioner from the station, and then return safely back to the ship. Very complex operation for us. It's the earliest we've ever gone to an Antarctic station, just a day or two after the official end of winter, but it's still very much winter in Antarctica. And we were really only able to even attempt it because of the fantastic capabilities that the Nuyina gives us in terms of ice breaking and aircraft capability, but also new twin engine helicopter that's new to our program gave us that extra range and cargo carrying capacity as well.